Square D brand Surgelogic SDSA 3-phase is a NEMA 4X rated 4-wire surge protection device that provides dependable and simple protection against initial power surges, bringing them to a safer and more manageable level. This SPD is part of Square D's Surgelogic line and features a compact design, allowing it to be installed next to power panels or directly on sensitive equipment, allowing for maximum surge suppression. Available in Y and Delta configurations, these surge protection devices can be more effective when used in a cascaded SPD system. For more information on Square D brand Surgelogic SDSA 3-phase, visit us at gelco.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Gelco TV so you can be notified when new videos are posted every week.